Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Today's video will install BONOSS wheel spacers for Tesla Model S. 20mm spacer safe. Kind of wheel accessories which are used to create distance on the inner portion of the wheel for clearance problem. By pushing out the wheel, you can get a small amount of clearance for bigger wheels without rubbing against the fender. Having a wheel brought out ideal distance allows for mounting larger brake calipers without wheel scratching. We can see the back of these adapters have unique active cooling groove design that make the external air flow in and takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling. Improve the braking efficiency and reduce the risk of driving safety.
There are forged 6061 T6 and 7075 T6 aluminum BONOSS wheel spacers for the Tesla Model S. Both these two types of wheel spacers are of good strength, toughness, hardness, and corrosion resistance. But it is noticeable that 7075 T6 wheel spacers feature a tensile strength nearly double that of 6061 T6 aluminum spacers. This alloy is one of the strongest types of aluminum available.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.